Right, the homework sum. 200, 6 bits given, default subnet mask, and 6 bit is this. So increment value will be 4, 4 in the third octet. So this is correct. And then the new subnet mask will be 6 bit, right? Okay, 252.
Yes.
Very good, very good. 252. 255 minus 3 is 252. Very nice. And then and this you no need to write actually. And then when all are ones, we don't use this. This is not a subnet.
Yes.
So now what you have done is decremented by 2. If you decrement this by 250 level, you will get 50, no? 250. Sorry, 4, 4, 4. I'm sorry, 4. You're right, you're right.
Okay,
You were
sir.
right. I was wrong.
4, 4.
4, 4, correct. Okay. So the broadcast will be 3, the last will be 2, and the first will be 1. So I want you to note here that there is only 2 IP address. 1, 2.
Yes. 2.
The first IP is 1, the last IP is 2, which means only 2 IP address in single network, in single subnet. If you notice here, 5, 6, 9, 10, 233, 234, 235 is broadcast, 7, 8, 9 is broadcast, 41, 42, 43 is broadcast, 45, 46, 47 is broadcast. Super.
Okay, sir.
Now the knowledge of this is again needed when we do something called VLSM, which we'll see later. But I want you to make a note that when your mask is /30, when your mask is /30, you will get only 2 IP address per subnet.
Network.
In each subnet, you will get only 2 IP address. This knowledge is important for next topic, which is yet to come.
Okay.
So class A default mask is 255000. Now 8 bit you are going to give, which is this octet. Completely you are giving.
Yes.
Completely you are giving. So the new subnet mask will be 255.
Okay.
25500. Correct. This is the date.
Okay.
The entire thing is wrong. Okay.
Yeah, I got it actually.
You have to do this. See, the same problem I have given to them. No, I have given a little bit complicated for them. For you, I have made a little easier. I gave 8 bit for you. For them, I have given 9 bit. Now we are going to do this 9 bit. But before that, let me do this for you.
Okay.
Or if you want to do, you do now.
Yeah, sure, sir. I can.
Alright, so you start doing this.
Okay.
Then you can correct yourself after I do. Please start.
Okay.
You see, the reason for increment of 1 is 8 bits. In this octet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 bit. So you have given the entire bit. The 8th bit, the face value is 1 here. Is it right or not? The face value of this is 1. Do you agree?
Correct.
That becomes the increment value. Starting from 0, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. But I ask you only to write first 4. So let's stop here. Then we'll go down. When all the 8 bits are on, what is the value? 255. But I told you should not use it, isn't it?
Correct.
So I put one X mark here. Now from top you incremented by 1. So if you're going from bottom, what you should do?
A decrement 1.
Decrement. 255 minus 1 is 254. 254 minus 1 is 253. 252. 251. So this is okay, right?
Yeah, this is okay. So give me only one thing, sir. Like 10.255.0.0 is there, right? So that is should be always
See,
off only, right? Which means 0.0 only.
see, we have given only 8 bit.
We bought, okay.
Only those 8 bits are on. These are all host bits you should not care about. Whatever the bits that are given for subnetting, only that you need to focus on.
Okay. So we should not touch or change the any value of last two octet.
Yeah, those
Whichever
those will be only used in the host side.
host side. Okay.
So you understood the remaining story? See,
Yes.
one less than this is the previous one. So which means the broadcast will be, because the next network is 255, the broadcast will be 254, 255, 255. And because here it is 254, the previous one will be 253. And the host bits are on, this is broadcast. One less than this is last host. Do you remember these things that you learned?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, now you correct your notebook.
Yes, give me a minute.
Now what we are going to do is a little bit tough sum we are going to see. You see, here it is only 8 bit. We have given the entire octet. What if it is 9 bit? Then you should give the bit, the 9th bit, from this place. Meaning from this octet, isn't it? The 9th bit. Here 8 bit and 1 bit you should give from here. Correct or not? Let me do it. Wait. See, here it is. Because it is 9 bit, 8 bit, which is this, and the 9th bit. This is new subnet mask.
Okay.
You agree or not?
Yes, sir.
See, this 255 is because of the default mask.
So,
and then another 255 is 8 bit, another 1 bit is 9 totally.
okay.
8 plus 1, 9 bit. Correct? That's why the mask is 255, 255. What is the value of this place?
128.
That's why it is
Yes, first one, 9th one.
So if I want to write it in CIDR value, then I need to say 8 plus 1, which is 17.
17. Yes. 8 plus 8 plus 1, 17.
Okay. Now you carefully listen. This is the critical part. Because you are giving from here, what is the increment value?
128.
128. You see the first network is 10.0.0.0. Second network is 10.0.128.0. Why in the third octet? Because third octet is what? 128. Not in the fourth octet. So fourth octet should be 0 only. That is first. Next. Listen carefully. This is the main important place I am coming now. If I add 128 to this, increment value is 128. You also said that, correct?
Correct.
If I add 128 with 128, I get 256.
Okay.
Now, where is 256? See, if I have 8 bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. In 8 bit, do you see 256? No.
No. 255 only.
9th bit only you get 256.
Yeah, correct.
But the 9th bit is not in that same octet, it is in the next octet, isn't it?
Yes.
That is the reason why I put 1 in the previous octet. You see, 1.
Okay.
Because 256 is not here. It is here in the previous octet. You have to go towards the left.
Oh, okay.
Right. Next. When you add 128 to this, again you get what?
The 128 will be the same, but
now you will,
1
will be the same, and then 0 becomes 128 because you're adding 128. Again, if you add 128 to this, it becomes 256. Do we have 256 in this octet? No, that's why it becomes 1.0. Means already 1 plus 1 now 2.0. You understood this?
Okay, okay, sir.
Let me do it for you again. Instead of me explaining, I will do and show you better.
Okay. So which means that 128 and that is a one octet completely used, and we are going for the
The
left
previous
one,
octet.
and we
Okay.
are going to do the same.
Correct. Listen.
Okay.
Actually, IP address is 32-bit. For our convenience only, it is divided into 4 octet. You got that point?
Yes.
Okay. Now, 10.0.0.0, the default mask is 255000. Now, told is you are given 9 bits, which means 10.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth bit.
Yes,
The other
okay.
bits are still for the host.
Yes.
Because you are giving from here for network, the value is 128. So you need to increment by 128 in the third octet.
Correct, yes. 8 plus
So,
9.
so 10.0.0.0 slash, what is the value? Slash
17.
17. Next network will be 10.0.128.0 slash 17.
17.
Why I am adding in the third octet? Because that is where you gave. That's the last bit, ninth bit. You need to keep adding here only 128, not here somewhere. Keep adding here.
Okay.
So when you add again 128, it becomes 256. When you add 128 again, what do you get?
256.
Because increment value is 128. So in the previous sums, the increment value was 1. So you were adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. But now in this problem, what is the increment value? 128.
128.
So if you add 128, it becomes 256. But do we have 256?
No.
In 8-bit, you don't have 256. So you need to go to the 9th bit. So for in this situation, where is the 9th bit? It is here. I want to write it again, show you. I already showed you, but I'm going to show you again. What is the total value you will get? Tell me. If you have 8-bit, what is the total value?
255. 255.
And what is the value here?
128.
64. Now, there is no chance of 256, correct?
Yes.
But if I go one octet early, before, then what is the value here? I told you.
1.
No. That's not the story I'm telling you. You are dividing into 4 octet and seeing. I'm saying 32-bit is the actual size of the IP address. For our convenience only, it is divided into 4 octet. If you see in that angle, if this is 1, this is 2, this is 64, this is 128, what will be this one? 256.
Okay.
So 256 is going to the previous octet. Do you understand that?
Okay. 128 plus 128, 256.
The 256 is not within this 8-bit. It is in the previous octet.
It's okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Why can't go that next right side, sir? Why you are going to left side?
Sorry, this is network. Network should be, you should keep going this way. Host only will go this way. This is host bit. For network, you did not give that side. For network, you have given only this side.
Okay. The rule is always need to borrow from the network only, not host.
Correct. Whichever the bit you have given for network, that only you should use.
Okay.
Now, listen. Because it is going here, I put 1 there. 10.1.0.0/17. Did you understand this now?
Yes, this understand.
Again, you add 128 in this octet, so it becomes 10.1.128.0/17. Again, if you add 128 here, then it is 256. So it will again go to the previous octet, 10 dot 2 dot
2 dot
0
128.
dot
Oh,
0 dot 0.
okay.
Again, if you add, then it becomes 10 dot 2 dot 128 dot 0. You agree?
Okay, okay.
You understand up to here and you copy. Then I'll write the last 4.
Yeah, sure, sir.
See, when all the borrowed bits in this octet is 255 and then 128. This is what? All the
Okay.
borrowed bits. Now, we don't use this. We go now higher by subtracting. It will be 10.255.00.
Oh,
And then again, if you subtract, you have nothing to subtract here. You need to subtract from here. If you subtract from there, then it becomes 10.254.128.0. To understand this, what I want you to do is just test it. If you add 128 to this, what you will get?
oh, 256.
That's why we put 0 here and we added
0.
1 here.
Okay.
You added 1 here. 254 became 255. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 10.254.0.0, 10.253.128.0. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is last for copy. Now what I'll do is, I'll give you homework similar to this. It is the same homework which I have given to the other batch. They will finish today and they will come.
Okay.
You also try to finish and come.